through the winds of storm. Them tell me stories from where we come, of strength